So, alright, things out on the river have been super slow. The past couple days, I don't know, it's been kind of like this fishing funk. I don't get it. Of course, I just keep getting out there and keep trying. Went out again today. I've been getting tons of nibbles and just, I don't know. So, I got one fish. Here it is.
Alright, we got one. Needs a jumper. Get him out of this current a little bit. Alright. Pretty decent little rainbow. Hopefully I got him on camera here. Not a bad rainbow. There we go.
Right, so that was it. That was the fish the past couple days. Gonna keep going at it. Just keep on fishing on and stay positive. That's all I can really do. Stay tuned for the next video. Oh, and I've gained like maybe 3 or 4 subscribers the past couple days. I want to thank you guys very, very much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And I've been binge watching your guys' videos. They are awesome. Thanks again for subscribing. I hope you enjoy my videos. I'm trying to just post a lot more, but for one thing, it's been like super hot. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Like them if you like them. Thumbs down if you hate them. You never know. Keep on fishing on.